What's up, guys? It's Michaela from AG Rainbow Studios, and today I'm going to be giving you Rachel's room tour. So let's get started. First off, we have her rocking chair. On her rocking chair, there's a purple cushion with a pink pillow with an R, and then there's this metal heart bracelet that my dad made, and a shoe, like keychain charm thing. In the back, there's a dollhouse for the mini dolls, which just has random things in it. Behind her bed, there's the horses. So here's her side table. It has a mini AG magazine on it, her phone, which is one of those eraser things, 2 bracelets, a snow globe, another mini AG magazine, and 5 Ramblin' bracelets, 2 fish shells, and 3 singles. Then there's a Girl Scout cookie bracelet that I made in Girl Scouts, and then there's a Meet Julie book that came with Mini Julie, and then there's a friendship bracelet, and also there's a flower hair clip. And her side table is just an AG box with a bandana over it. Then we have her bed. She has a pink floor cushion there, a pink neck pillow there, and her pink pillow there. Her mattress is just pink, and her bedspread is really cute. Now I'm going to move Rachel so I can show you. There also has an owl pillow, and I love the heart detailing in the back. And there's also some flowers embroidered on her quilt. She has Mini Julie and this rainbow puppy stuffed animal that I got. She also has her pajamas and her slippers. Her rug is just made of like this blanket with a cute thing on it. Here's her book bag with her laptop that I kind of failed at making inside, but her book bag has an R for Rachel. And then here is her bag, which she got for Christmas. Here is a bag of clothes for Julie. Here's a Hello Kitty thing, and it's supposed to be like Hello Kitty's baking pie, and it has stickers, but the stickers actually smell like pie. Then she has a trophy, and then she has her backpack. So I'm not going to go into great detail because I already found this and it was way too long. Here's her teacup pig, and now she has all these things on the wall. So she has this sign that says Rachel. She has a poster from an AG magazine. She has a poster that says Rachel. She has a butterfly and a yarn thingy that I made. She has a picture of her at the bowling alley. She has a shelf and a lei. Also, she has this poster that says amazing because she's amazing. Okay, so here's her desk chair, which is a My Froggy Stuffed craft tutorial. She has a box of colored pencils and a box of crayons. She has a public library pass, a lunch ticket, and a hall pass, a stamp, a high heel pencil sharpener, a trophy that says Artist Award, a kayak shack magnet with a manatee that I got in Florida, and a pink notebook and a pencil cup with 2 little cute pencils inside it. She also has this watermelon rug that my grandma made, and she has a thing right down there. Then she has math flashcards, a poster that has the continents of the world. She has a calculator, a basketball eraser, which I don't really know why she has, a writing journal, and then her school notebook. It just says Peace. You've probably seen those at Party City and stuff like that. Here's her laptop, which is from American Girl in the Petite Boutique set, which I kind of failed at making, so I just made it hers instead of using it in the boutique. Then she has, ignore my leg, then she has this folder with random things inside it. So that was Rachel's room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. This week's shout out goes to Riley Rainwater because she's just been really nice and commenting sweet things. So we don't normally do shout outs, but we did one to Cami Cakes because she was really nice. And we did one for Riley Rainwater because she subscribed and she said that our videos rocked. So thanks, Riley Rainwater. Bye, guys.